How to download Adobe Illustrator for free on your PC or Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your browser and search for Adobe Suite. After that, open up the first link and this is where it will take you. Open up all the products, then search for Illustrator over here, or you can just simply scroll down to find the Illustrator. And here it is. Simply click on free trial. And here select your plan that you want, and after that you would be getting it for free for 7 days, and you would be charged if you won't cancel your plan after 14 days. So make sure that you cancel up your plan on time in order to avoid any deduction of money, and this is the only legal way to get it for free. And if you want a discount, simply go with the students and the teachers one and then get it for the heavy discounted price, and there is no verification, so you can go with the student and teachers as well. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.